Hello everyone, this is Aditya back again with another video. In the last video, we have looked at all the basic components of React Native. In this video, we are going to move forward and try to implement React Native navigations in our app and try to learn how navigations work in React navigation. So for that, we are going to remove all these things we have already done here. So for this, let's just clear this out, everything. Yeah. We don't need this as well. And here we can put something just to make it visible. So everything is removed now, and for this we are going to install React navigations. Right now it is not installed in our package.json. So to install React navigations, we are going to look for React. Okay, for that we are going to copy this one. And we need this one as well. Let this one finish, and after that we're gonna add the second dependencies. Okay, yeah. And after that we are using expo, so we are going to install this only. We don't need to install this or this or anything. And to install stack navigations, let's see what we have here. Here it is. This first. Okay, need to run that. Oh, this is taking some time. And after that we are going to install this one as stack navigations. In this video we are going to deal with stack navigations only, and after in the upcoming video we will try to work on tab navigations and drawer as well. So all the dependencies has been installed, I guess. Let me check once. Yeah, everything is here now. All we need to start our server. And after that, here we are going to create a folder now name. So see, inside that we will create a folder name, file name routes. So this is not working. I thought usually when I try to RH and hit tab, yeah, this time it's working. And let's see if our server has started already. It's building. Yeah, so our server is working completely fine. And after that, let's close this one, and Here we're gonna enter our routes. To enter routes, let me see on this page first, and after that we're going to first of all we have to import this React Native and React Native, these two. After that we're gonna need use any const, but let's just copy this one. Sorry, it's not copy. Well, let's just type it out. That from stack we are going to import a navigator, and inside first of all we have to add this container. Navigation it should be wrapped all of your routes should be wrapped inside a navigation container. After that we are going to add our first screen. The name of the screen will be home component. Let's take home screen. Now let's create a home screen here. We can create a we can create a file which can align put the sticks at the center. So for that we're going to create a component gxx, and let's just copy this one. And when I add this one, come from I guess this is the right component. Okay, I think I might be missing something. Oh, wait, wait a second. So there's something like this, and outside this. Yeah, this is a children's type of, and we don't need these things here. So this one is completely fine. Inside here, we just need to go import. Function export tab. Okay, let's fine now. This should be working. Okay, this should not. Actually, we have to remove this and add here routes. Now I guess it should be working. Yeah, so finally it's working. I got some trouble with the connections with my mobile, with my phone, and now it's working completely fine. Here you can see the title of the screen, and here this is actually this is the name of the screen we have provided here. Right here, and now we are going to add one more screen here. So detail screen is not visible right now because as for this one, the initial screen is right now home, which is at the top of here, and we can change the initial screen to something else, like this initial route. Right, let's change it to details, and after that, just to refresh, I guess it will start showing the detail screen first, and uh, then we have to pause or do something to navigate to home screen. So detail screen is visible now, and we can change it to home screen as well. So right now let's just keep it home. So it should be home only, the name of the screen, and we need to refresh it again to make it visible on the screen. Okay, so now to navigate to a different screen, we have to pass some parameters right here. Get some props when it provides some of the props here, like navigation and route. Yeah, this should be navigation, I guess. Let me check once. To navigate to different screen. Mm, yeah, it's navigations, and second prop is routes. So here we are going to deal with the navigation to navigate to different screens. It should be navigation dot push or navigation dot navigate. Navigation dot push is used because our routing works like a stack. After we go to different screen, it will show a back button as well. So let's add a button here. details and buttons should be imported from React Native. But it needs I think on press is required here, so that's the reason it is showing that error. And we need to define a type of this navigations and route. So for that we are going to create a different file named route list.t. So here we're gonna define the types of navigations and route. So skip one, yeah, this one. So right now we have two screens. One is home. We are putting undefined here as because we are not passing any params from one route to other route. When we pass, when we are going to pass some parameter params from one screen to other screen, then we have to define it right here. So for now we are going to just keep it undefined. Sorry. And the second one would be route list. Route props. It's just I'm doing for because in Typescript we are defining these types, and after that it will make easy for us to define the types. If we make any errors here, then we'll try to find it. For that we need to define param list here. So yeah, if I try to make any error here, this will start showing this. So that's the reason we have defined both screens right here. And after that, right here we are going to, so this not showing error right now, it is defined from here, and we have to pass home as this the value of this t. And here we are going to hit our navigate dot. So this is the only reason we have done all these. So it starts to show here that Let's see how this is going to work. Press on detail. It perfect navigates to detail screen, and here we have a back screen as well. uh, it comes with default, and we can change it as well. We can change different thing here, but let's just keep this one only right now. Okay. To make some changes at details or anything, we can do that as well. But we have options, and here we can see all the options we have here right now, animations in app and all those things. uh, you can view this just by on Windows by CTR control and space. So here we are need header detail, header title, I guess. Yeah, let's change it to home screen instead of just home. Let's see, here we have changed it home screen. We have other options as well. Header right. Here we can add let's add icons here. I'm gonna get icons from expo icon directory, and let's use I don't know, you can use any of them. We're not really going to use. Let's use the search one. This one. Let's go with this one, and here we're gonna copy this, and all we need to just put it right here. It's not exactly any, it's just showing that there's a spelling mistake. It just I have installed an extension spell check, that's the reason. We can fix it. Let's see changes. Okay, here we have uh, search icon, which doesn't look good right now, so we can add styles as well. Okay, we can add some, give some padding over here. Padding, oh sorry, horizontal, it should be horizontal. Padding right, right choice. Yeah, so now it's look better than before, I guess. But we can make more changes as well, but for now let's just stick with this. And we can add a search screen as we can do navigations from here as well. For that we're going to make we have to make some changes uh, in our options field, right? Right now we don't have here we don't have access to navigations and route. We need that options right here as well, so for that we are going to do something like this. Now it's working perfectly fine, and the header title will be home screen, header right, it would be this sorry, this So, let's see if it is working perfectly fine, I guess. We're just doing the refresh. Okay, so right now it is going to detail screen. We can here on the search screen. Okay, the style is removed. So first of all, at this one, it's some styling. Styling will be nothing, just padding right to 20, I guess. Yeah, it looks good. Uh, I think it looks good. You can make other changes as well if you want. And after this, uh, we have navigations and route accessible here. Um, so let's say this to navigate to a different page like a search page. So let's create another page. Sorry, so it's the screen. Yeah, yeah. And we are going to use the search screen right here. We have to edit, but we're not going to. Don't have any options as well. And it will keep on showing error until and unless. So we have to edit this right here. Defined, and error should be gone from here. Yeah, it is working fine. And, let's set this navigate to search on this on press start navigation dot navigate, right? Navigate, yeah. So it should be search. Here, after pressing on the search icon, we can perfectly navigate to search screen as well. So we have successfully added 3 screens and details, search, and all those things. And after that, in the stack, let's see what other things we can add and try to implement other things. Here we and so I'm going to show you how to pass some parameter params. So to pass some parameter, suppose we are going to pass something from here, and that would be let's say we're passing name, and that would be my name. Okay, it is showing this error just because we haven't defined it right here. So in the home screen we have to define that we are passing a here, and that is name, which is a string. So here we have decided edit that parameter. It should be gone by now, but it isn't. name, and that is string. String is not assignable to parameter type details. Okay, so okay, we need to define it inside the detail as well, I guess. Okay, this is removed here from here. Not to, and it should be working completely fine right now. Yep. You can go to detail page, at a search page. Okay, yeah, things working smoothly, and now again inside the detail screen, we're going to grab that. Sorry, if I can write. That's a detail screen, and here I grab that name. So we don't really need this, so let's just put it right over here. So from start name, and it should be showing name now. I just check once. Yeah, here it is on the detail screen. We can see that there is name from. This is all available here. Similarly, we can pass anything from this prop inside search screen as well, and to make something custom that should be rendered in all the screen as the same, we can provide options here as screen options. Yeah, we can pass some options in the screen options as well to keep something same in all the screens. Like, so this is it for this video, and in the upcoming video we are going to go deep inside React navigations and try to figure out how to add tab navigations, drawer, and all those things. And if you find this helpful, consider subscribing, and thank you for watching.